I've been using the by me Lacto Soy Mild Peeling Cleanser, and it's quickly become an essential part of my skincare routine. This cleanser removes all my makeup effortlessly, even the stubborn bits, without the need for harsh scrubbing. What I love most is how it leaves my skin feeling soft and refreshed without any dryness. The bubble formula is not only fun, but also gentle on my skin, effectively removing dead skin cells and impurities with zero irritation. After each use, my face feels incredibly clean, soft, and noticeably brighter. Enriched with amino acid-rich lacto soy and konjac, this cleanser has significantly improved my skin's texture and brightness. Aqualose keeps my skin hydrated, ensuring it stays smooth and supple without that tight, dry feeling. I also appreciate that it transforms from a creamy gel into a bubbly foam and has no strong fragrance, making it ideal for sensitive skin. I use 2 pumps to cleanse my face, and it works wonders, removing all makeup and impurities while gently exfoliating with the konjac granules. For those who prefer a gentle yet effective exfoliation, this cleanser is perfect. Plus, it can double as a deep cleansing mask when used 1 to 2 times a week. Overall, the Lacto Soy Mild Peeling Cleanser leaves my skin looking brighter, more radiant, and incredibly soft. It's definitely a must-have for anyone seeking a mild yet powerful cleanser in their daily routine.